All right, so this here is my 4-ton bottle jack. I'm gonna run through the features associated with it and show you why I love it. And I'm even gonna give you a quick demo on lifting up shed build that's slightly out of level with this bottle jack. All right, here is the bottle jack. Comes with a nice carrying case. Again, this is 4-ton capacity, 8,000 pounds. There's different capacities that you can purchase of these, but for my application, this is perfect. You can see inside here, you got the bottle jack itself, you got the 2 jack arms that can assemble together, and you got the instructions. So construction of this is heavy duty steel here, nice and hefty. There's hydraulic fluid inside of here. It comes pre-filled. If you ever need to add some more, there's a plug here that you can pull out and fill it up. And this stand is great. It's got a fairly compact size. It can jack from distances of anywhere between 7.4 inches all the way up to 14 inches. And it does come with an adjustable head here, just a screw type that you can use to gain a little bit more length if you need it. Otherwise, in order to actually use this jack, take these arms, and they've got kind of little oval shapes here that fit into each other. And then you slide it here. So this little relief valve down here, this allows you to release or lower the jack. If you turn it clockwise and snug it up, then you can actually use the arm here to jack. So you can see, super easy to use, literally just pumping the handle up and down, and that's all it takes to use this. And you can see the cylinder here, nice solid steel, and everything's very well lubricated, so everything operates nice and smooth. And when you're done, we turn the valve here, and then that allows your jack to go back down. So this bottle jack's great for lifting up cars and vehicles. It's really going to be helpful here with our shed. It's very versatile. You can see I've got our shed being built. I need to raise this side of the shed up about 3/4 of an inch, and that's where this bottle jack comes into play. So I've gone ahead and already dug a hole underneath our shed. I've got a piece of 2x material sitting down there just to provide solid ground. I'm going to go ahead and start to raise the bottle jack and just lift the rim of our shed ever so slightly. So the shed is lifting up here as I'm raising this. Let's see. So that is perfect, and this jack is really holding everything nice and steady. So what I'm going to be doing is just backfilling a little bit under there, put a concrete block in to get this level to where I need it to be. And as you can see there, I mean, it's literally just pumping this up and down, no other tools needed. So once I get this backfilled, I'll lower it back down and I'll be good to go. All right, so I'm actually digging out underneath our skid here that's mounted to the bottom of the shed. You can see here the jack is holding this corner of the shed up all by itself here. There's no ground underneath that skid anymore. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and slide my concrete footing. All right, so I've got our concrete footing placed under our skid now. I'm gonna go ahead and slowly lower this back down. To do that, I'm just gonna turn that clockwise. As I did that, it actually released and shifted down just ever so slightly. Now I have achieved a totally level shed floor here in this corner. All right, so I've backfilled our hole after getting our shed leveled out with the bottle jack, and this tool is super easy. Highly recommend it for automotive applications, lifting structures around the house. Easy to use. I was able to get our shed leveled in about 20 minutes.